Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, update all apps in Windows 11, 10 using Winget. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Type Winget space, upgrade space, -h space, minus all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.